we're gonna look out for, because I'm sure Coach Eric and his squad was able to address that, especially against
Tabi, pasa kay Cañete, does not look at the rim this time. He dives in, Manzano falls down on the floor. Bola nakuha ng Caloocan.
Pagsanhan made that play happen. Nice pass and cut by Manzano, but didn't see Pagsanhan from behind. The turnover led to points. Pero alam naman natin, hindi pwede yun.
Tabi, pasa kay Hierro. Umira sa tres, short. Offensive rebound for Quezon, but turns the ball over in semi-transition. Rebound, nakuha ng Quezon. Fuentes in transition, lays it in for two.
This time, Quezon is the one. It's not a turnover, but an air ball is almost like a turnover. San Juan led to the fast break on the other end. Finished by Judel.
Pinoon off the bounce. Bola na tapik. Naagaw tuluyan ng Ken. Gets it back from Manzano. Hierro on the right side. Sasalaksak si Wawa. Hierro off the window and in, plus the foul. And Quezon doing a good job making Ladi uncomfortable. And they make them pay on the other end. Macaloni, basket and one. Napapanood ngayon ang Quezon na abante ng 8 puntos kontra Caloocan. 13-5. Kalat is in the ball game. Got his pocket picked by Campanal. Manansala soars and scores.
MVP. 2 impactful plays defensively with a defensive rebound. That time with a steal that led to 5 fast break points. Would have the advantage. Not that time though.
Camson sa poste, making a quick move on Will Macaloni. Count it, plus the foul.
And the key, Ken, to what you said.
He calls Ludovice, Abundo, Opiso, and Banal his warriors. Na kung naka-line up daw sila, their leadership means the chances of mistakes are limited. And this is to respond to your point earlier, Coach Chris. Coach,
And you were saying?
And yun nga, no? And si Campanal, who did not even suit up in the game against Batangas City, clearly understands, no? As they aspire for a better finish this time around. But meanwhile, having trouble dealing with the chaos, Caloocan. Action picking up late in the first quarter. Baclaan against Manansala, dumps it off. Kalahat off the glass and in with Caloocan. Bola na wala kay Camson. Nakuha ni Fuentes, 3-on-1 fast break. Baclaan intercepts it. Read that beautifully. Kian. Manday for free. Patay!
That turnover led to points once again. Manday, back to back.
Yes! How about that? Caloocan with a 30 seconds left in quarter number 1. Manzano charging through, banks it in. Escobar, pasa kay Baclaan. Over Pagaran. Look like Christian